Oh, hi everybody. This is Marshall's Studios Forever Vintage Stuff here. Marshall's Studios Forever Vintage Stuff is taping you from a live audience tonight. Tonight's video is my 1996 Hoover Preferred, the Maytag version, upright vacuum. Tonight's video, I will be running my 1996 Hoover Preferred soft bag upright vacuum. This is my 1996 machine. I bought this vacuum last year at Heart and Hand Thrift Center back in May. Last year was the best Saturday ever. Back in May or June. First of all, this weekend, I will find more vintage vacuum cleaners. Seriously, I need to find something that's really, really important is the Bissell Microlock 7 stages 10 amp motor upright vacuum with the white track version. And number 2, I still need to find the red Bissell Power Partner 800. 8000. The one with the 8 amp motor with the white track version to it. Number 3, I still need to find a dirt belt. A black dirt belt vacuum was made by Roby. Was an upright. Was made in the year 95. Instead of me talking, I will run the vacuum cleaner. I will run one of my vacuum collections. I haven't done in a while, but the belt was in good condition. But first of all, the brush roll had a lot of hair to it. There were something wrong with it. First of all, I literally have to change the bag out, and I'm going to be doing, okay? And first of all, 3, 2, 1, and go. And all right. 3, 2, 1, go. first of all, everybody, this vacuum cleaner does remind me of Mrs. Doubtfire. And this is not the Mrs. Doubtfire brand. It's a Hoover Elite 2 Total System. I still need to look for that one as well too. And I still want to do house cleaning for this stuff, man. I really love using this. And also, everybody, make sure you click thumbs up, hit subscribe, click down below what you like to see. I will see you in the next video.